Managing financial statements might not be your favorite task, but it's crucial for your business in Thailand. Let's simplify the process and keep you compliant. Annual financial statements are like your business's yearbook, detailing its financial journey. They include the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and notes to financial statements. These documents provide insights into profits, assets, liabilities, and cash flow, offering a comprehensive view of your business. In Thailand, preparing these statements is mandatory. The Department of Business Development and the Revenue Department require them annually. Compliance ensures transparency and accountability, while avoiding fines and protecting your business's reputation. Start by gathering financial records like bank statements and invoices. Ensure accurate bookkeeping, following Thai financial reporting standards. Create the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Don't forget the notes to explain unusual figures. Have a certified public accountant audit your statements, then submit them on time to avoid penalties. Navigating Thai accounting rules, language barriers, and time constraints can be tough. Consider professional help to ease the process. With the right approach and expert assistance, preparing financial statements can be smooth. Stay organized, compliant, and focused on growing your business.